Hello students, now we'll be solving 2019 code S to 146 question. So in this particular question, we have to match the following. So here they are asking how pure nitrogen will be formed, or what happens in Haber's process, what happens in contact process, what happens in Deacon's process. All these are given in B block chapter of NCERT. You can go through that. However, I will be explaining all the given things here. So pure nitrogen can be formed using sodium acide or barium acide. So the reaction will be like this: BaN3 twice gives rise to Ba, which is metal, will be deposited, and N2 gas will be coming out. So acide having three nitrogens will be more unstable, so it goes to form N2 easily, right? Now I'll talk about Haber's process. Haber's process is used in manufacturing of ammonia, which is like very important reaction, in which what happens is N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to NH3. So you'll have this. So here we see that all these are gases. So if you see, the number of moles of gases on the product side is only 2, whereas the number of moles of gases on the reactant side is 4. So what happens is the number of the delta S randomness is decreasing, or the number of moles, or delta Ng, is negative. So what happens is, according to Le principle, we have to increase the pressure so as to get a good yield. So in order to achieve favorable conditions, we use iron as our catalyst and molybdenum as our promoter. Okay, so this is an exothermic reaction as well. And now we will discuss about contact process. Contact process is used for manufacturing of sulfuric acid. So how sulfuric acid will be formed? Basically, it is formed using in 3 steps. So first step is basically you burn sulfide ores or sulfur to get SO2, right? And from there, basically one has to convert this into SO3 by adding O2. Okay, this will be done in the presence of V2O5. Now again, this SO3 is, this is step 1, this is step 2, and third step and the final step, we will absorb this formed SO3 in already present H2SO4 to get oleum. Okay, which is H2S2O7, right? Oleum. So basically, when you get oleum, when you can just produce sulfuric acid just by adding some water H2O. You will get 2 times H2SO4. Okay, this is contact process. Now I'll talk about Deacon's process. Deacon's process is used for manufacturing of chlorine. So this chlorine is formed using HCl plus O2, oxidation of HCl. In the presence of CuCl2, you will give 2Cl2 plus 2H2O. So this is a gas and this is liquid, right? 2H2O. So we get 2Cl2. This is at 723 Kelvin. I hope this is clear. So now the final answer will be 1 is going to 4, and so it is like 2. So here this is very easy. If at all you get only one, you know only one of the following given ABCD, either you know Haber's, at least one, so you can solve the problem. Let us suppose you only know Haber's process, it will give you BS answer. Okay, thank you very much.